Before the expander is cemented, we must have space between the teeth where the bands of the expander will be located. Bands are rings that fit all the way around the tooth and are filled with glue so the expander stays in until it is removed at our office. To create space between the teeth, we use small circular elastics called separators. Separators are flossed between the teeth to create and then hold space on each side of the tooth that will be banded. The separators need to be present on the day the expander is cemented, so there is enough space to slide the bands between the teeth. We will place the separators at the scan appointment, but if they come out before the delivery appointment, they need to be replaced by a parent or guardian. We will give you extra separators at the scan appointment. To replace the separators, thread 2 pieces of floss through the separator and pull them in opposite directions. Floss the separators between the teeth, making sure you can see the separator at the biting surface. We don't want the separators to be too far into the gum tissue. After the separator is in between the teeth, pull the 2 pieces of floss out. If you go to replace the separator and there is already plenty of space, wait a day or 2 and then replace them. If you have any trouble, please call our office. We will replace them if needed. Space has to be present for the expander to be cemented.